boy Darius back at it again with another video. Now, as you can see, I'm downloading Far Cry, and yes, I am eating because I just got off work, and I got a big surprise for y'all. I got packages. As you can tell, SVE. Wonder what's in these two boxes. So, like, comment, subscribe if you're not already. Let's get to opening these packages. So as you can see, I got a little happy with that package. So let's go ahead and take a peek. Wonder what this is. Let's go ahead and pop this little thing off. I've already done it once and I'm doing it again for y'all. Just this has already been opened. So yes, the SVE, I don't know if the camera's gonna get it. The SVE dark wheels. Of course, gotta get the big wide 15 by 10s. So that's what's in the two big boxes. So give me like 2 seconds. Let me put this back in the box and then we'll open up the rest of them. And yes, before any fanboy says anything, relocation kit, marine grease, and also opened the second box and I got the wheel warranty, maintenance kit, drive-through car washes not, let me see if I can get that. Drive-through car washes not recommended due to the aggregation. Never clean a hot wheel. Got me a little tire pressure gauge. More stickers, which by the way, all my stickers that are going on my car is right there. I also have some more coming. So I did get the sway bar relocation. So we're gonna put this back in there. Just stay right there for a second. This corner over here. So, like I said, this is the sway bar relocation. Yes, if you do not open all of your stuff when you get it, you're not a, you don't know what you're missing. So, I have opened pretty much all the wheels. So I've opened all the wheels. I have opened up everything that I have gotten, simply to check for any damages and all of that. So yes, you may not see me open everything, but I do open everything I get. See? Sway bar relocation. So yes, I did get the sway bar relocation kit. Of course, I'm not going to open this one, but I think that's the part number. Yeah, it's all BMR stuff. So all right, let's get to checking out the other ones. So yes, I do. Like I said, I check everything. Not because I don't like because I don't trust people simply to check for damages. Oh, and I turned y'all. My bad. I hope y'all can see me for a second. Yes, I'm downloading Far Cry as well. Making sure not to damage my wheels. Huh. There's the center cap for the front wheels. And here's the front wheel. Okay. Okay. You saw the other wheel. Here's the front wheel. Front. Oh, I'm falling. Front 4.5 inch skinny. Let's see if I can take it out the packaging. Oh no, it's tied, but I got the skinny. So that's that one. So let me open the other one and check that, and I'll be right back. Sorry about the camera movement. Ain't really much I can do about that. It's tripod and all that, so let's get to open up these other two boxes. Xbox controller. Like I said, I opened all my packages. Oh, upper control arm bracket. That's yeah. I got the Team Z street suspension from LMR. Oh, that looks really, really good. I was not expecting that to look that good, but it looks really, really good. Oh, alright. Oh my god. This one's a little heavy as well. This hammer tone finish, I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up, but it looks really, really good. And another bolts, and I wonder what this is. Like I'm not trying to scratch it up. I'm just trying to get into it. And the record's so good I can't even get into it. Okay. Sometimes when you get a cut, you just get with it. And now all this is going over there. Like I said, everything's going to be kept together because it's going to be put on my car this weekend. They might explain to me why it's not coming apart. If you don't open your car parts when you get them, you ain't a true car person. You gotta open them up when you get them. Sorry if y'all catch me looking down at the camera because it's the only way I actually have a screen is when I use my phone. The LCA with the polyurethane bushings. And Okay, so I bought marine grease for no reason. Because I thought they needed it, but they don't. So I'm pretty sure I'm going to get a lot of vibration going down the road now, which is fine with me. Anything so my car hooks. Because as y'all know, I have problems with hooking. As y'all know, if you watched my Rockingham video, the other one. Oh, okay. Bolts. So we're going to put everything back in there. Because now they're not going to be moved till this weekend. Actually, I might put just hang on. Alright. Well, if that was the control arms, y'all should know what this is. So for y'all that have been living under a rock for a few days, so I literally bought marine grease for it, which is fine. Like I said, I have it, so if anybody needs marine grease, you know where to get some. I got the Panhard bar. All of this stuff is adjustable. So, at least I think it is. Oh, God. Alright, anyways, I'm gonna quit fooling around with it before I mess around and mess something up. So, that's everything I've gotten. I got the wheels, control arms, Panhard bar. So, all this is gonna be on my car hopefully this weekend. As long as everything goes good. Plastic back down in there. I'm just gonna sit you right over there. Oh, forgot to put one of the things up for the wheels. But that's it for today, because I'm pretty sure this video has been long as hell. And plus Blake got tired. Like, y'all have no idea how tired I am. But I'm out. Peace.